Do you hear this shit? Oh my god. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh. I know this fire alarm will save my life one day, but like really? Really? I don't know what to do with myself. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh. That's the thing that the noise is coming out of. Let's just zoom in on that shit. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. You see the fire trucks? Oh my god, it stopped. Another fire truck just arrived. Ah! Oh my
May I
god.
have your attention, please? The Toronto Fire Services has declared the emergency over. You may return to your homes. The fire alarm is being reset to normal condition. May I have your attention, please? The Toronto Fire Services has declared the emergency over. You may return to your homes. The fire alarm is being reset to normal conditions.
Bye-bye, fire trucks. Did you people hear how loud that was? Oh my goodness. Fuck. Excuse my language, but that, imagine going through that at 4 in the morning. Holy.
Investigating the underground parking lot. We are attempting to locate the cause of the alarm. Please stay in your suites and do not use the elevators and do not use the stairs if it is safe to do so while we complete the check. Stand by for an update. Thank you.
It's like 4:40 in the morning. The fire alarm has gone off. Again. I was having such a nice sleep. I'm so sad. Your dream is gone and everything. Oh. It's okay though. One of these days that fire alarm will save my life. I have faith. I have some real faith. That one day that will happen. Oh my god! Did they just laugh? Someone just laughed on the intercom? So fucking annoying.
Your attention, please. This is Toronto Fire. We're on the scene investigating an alarm activation regarding the sprinkler system in the underground.
Sprinkler system?
Remain in your suites if it's safe to do so. Do not use the elevators and do not use the stairs while we investigate. I repeat, this is Toronto Fire. We're on the scene investigating alarms in the sprinkler system, please stay in your suites. Do not use the elevators. Do not use the stairs. We will update you shortly.
Okay. So this is happening in that building way over there, which is obviously not mine because I'm filming it. Anyways, bye-bye. Subscribe, like, all that jazz. Thanks.